Hello everybody and welcome to day 2 of CES. My name is Rolando and this is my Tuesday recap of the AMD keynote that happened earlier this morning. So if you haven't seen my Monday recap, you can hit the top card or you can go to the link in the description to see my Monday recap where I talk about LG, TCL and Samsung. Also, I'm going to be talking about Sony's press conference that happened yesterday afternoon. So this is my Tuesday recap of CES 2021. Yesterday was Sony's press conference and they went all in about showing their new stuff and new projects that they are planning for this year 2021. They also showed the Sony BRAVIA TVs and the headphones, even though they didn't go full in detail about their specs on their new products. Sony talked about their 360 virtual mixing environment or 360 VME that can recreate a stage mixing sound environment in a pair of headphones. Sony Music talked about their new immersive reality and how they created a music video of Madison Beer with this technology. They also showed the new BRAVIA TV with the new XR processor and how they are also implementing Google TV into their smart TVs. They also showed the BRAVIA True Wireless headsets. What was surprising is how they are getting into the drone industry with the Airpeak, a drone capable of mounting your Sony Alpha cameras for smooth and cinematic shots. One thing I can tell you for sure is that I will not risk my 3500 Sony a7S III on any drone. Next was AMD Keynote with Lisa Su, CEO of the company, and she had a few guests like Microsoft CPO Panos Panay, HP CEO Enrique Lores, Lucasfilm VP of Tech Francois Chardavon, and Lenovo CEO Jan Chuan-Chi. They all talk about their recent collaborations with AMD and how this company has revolutionized the computer and tech industry with their Zen architecture. But the only product that was showed at the keynote is the new AMD Ryzen 5000 series mobile processors that is built on their Zen 3 7nm architecture. She also showed some of the benchmarking and battery life improvements and what you can expect from other companies that will partner with AMD to use their technology. Another company that had their press company today was Razer, where they showed new Razer laptops and other peripherals, but I will cover their presentations in another video. Well, this has been a small recap of what happened at Tuesday's AMD keynote and yesterday's Sony's press conference. And if you want to see more content coming out of CES, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. This way you won't miss my coverage on CES 2021. And if you want to see intense coverage coming out of CES, make sure you follow me on social media where I post information right away out of CES. Also, if you want me to see or coverage anything specific out of CES, make sure you leave it on the comments below. Once again, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.